Hey, do you want to make game like this? Yes, this. You can make it. So you have to watch this full video. I will show you how to make this. First of all, we have to go there in a console. Then for the chits, we have to do Namaskaram for 1 minute. Log. So we have to do this. We have to type runner dot instance underscore dot. We have to do Wallhack at first, so we have to do game capital O GER gameOver equals to this equals to or greater and this curly bracket. We have to do this. This make our Wallhack, and now we have to do this runner for the speed. Runner dot instance underscore dot set speed, where we can do as much we like, and as much our computer do not get crashed, we can do this. So my score is currently 8,84,855. So we can make it easily. I'll take out my headphone because there is too much sound in it. So you can see my score after reaching 9,99,000. It will reset again and again. So by this hack, you can make your friends fool who don't know about the coding or programming like I do. So you can do clickbait in YouTube too, not like me. So let's program together and let's learn together. I'm also learning here. I'm also watching tutorials, so you can and please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe my channel, so I can get this motivation and bring new videos for you guys. So thank you for watching.